Hey everyone, it's a rainy day here, and you know what that means, comfort food time. In today's vlog, I share in what I eat to stay warm, cozy and nourished during this cold weather. So grab your favorite mug of tea, coffee, and let's eat together.
Hey guys, mega loud shout out everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Allera.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shine.
And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, across the sea. How are you guys? And for today's video guys is what I eat in the morning. What I eat in the morning for today's video. I have here my shomai. It's my cheat day. Realistic. So, sabi nga, sa healthy tips, eat like a king in the morning. So, I have here and of course I have my deep soy sauce, calamansi or lemon, and a chili paste. 3, 2, 1. Sauce, whatever. So kain tayo guys. It's not at always, as always. Once in a while, we have to treat ourselves. We have to break the rules. Let's eat.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Uh-oh.
It's spicy. And of course I have my coffee.
Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better without me. Don't you tell me
I
what
put a
I'm
lot of
supposed
this
to do.
guys.
When I'm walking on the streets half naked. It's fun. When I'm making my bright makeup. It's fun.
So only Filipino do this guys. When they eat, there's rice. If there's shomai, then there's rice.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Only Filipino do this guys. Let's go.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Kain tayo. Not ready. Konti lang tayo. No, already I am not. Even though it says in the healthy tips, eat like king in the morning. But then, I am not really a rice lover of all time. Just quick. Just showing you. Kunti lang yung dip natin. I have here my rice. And of course, I dip my shomai to my dip, of course. Kain tayo.
Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so cool. I know what I'm supposed to do.
So good.
I'm supposed to.
So good. By the way, this shawmai is not sponsored, guys.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do.
But if you wanna buy the yummy shawmai, it's David's product. They have gyoza, they have shawmai, and a lot more. I am not exposing this or whatever, but then that is for me, that is the yummiest shawmai ever. And yes, it is so good. My dip, it's so spicy, it's so hot. So yan lang, just eating what I eat for today in the morning. And it says in the healthy tips that eat like a king in the morning, not at night. Diba? So good. So one more. It's so hot. So once in a while, guys, we have to like a treat in ourselves. We have to treat like a treat in a day. So even though you're not eating this often, you have to treat, or you have a cheat day as well for the ultra processed foods. It's not at always, once in a while. So once in a while you have to eat what you want. Eat what your mind is telling. Eat what your tummy is telling. What your tummy is telling. So yan. Cheers to my coffee.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do.
Time check.
Don't you tell me what I supposed
It's 9:10 in the morning in the Philippines. It's a rainy Monday morning in the Philippines. 9:10 in the morning, 9 in the morning in the Philippines. And so again, you should have your cheat day. You should have your cheat day once a week. I have a cheat day once a week. I don't know with you guys. Others have once a month, twice a month, like that. Yes, we have to. Meron din tayo niyan. Kasi kailangan, we're only human. We need to eat what we want. Once in a while, not at always. Kasi nowadays, the cause of early death is eating unhealthy foods. Eating the ultra-processed foods. The instant foodies. Those are the causes. Those are the number one cause of early deaths, especially if you eat that daily. Once in a while, yes, but if you make it a habit, yun lang lagi yung kakain every day, that you eat that every day of your life for how many years? What would happen to you, diba? And there was this vlogger, guys. I am not saying that I am so perfect, but then there's a vlogger, a Filipino vlogger who is on her 50s. I'm not gonna say her channel or his channel. When he or she was on the late 40s, she or he keeps on buying Filipino because they are outside. They are in other country. So keep on buying Filipino foods because maybe they misses they miss eating Filipino foodies. And yes, how many years they do that? Like all the ultra processed foods, all the Filipino foodies that she or he is buying to is what the food he's into her or his table. And now that person has a brain tumor. And okay, as of now, that person is okay now because the equipment, the doctors are great when you're outside the country. It's for free. It's not that you will always spend. They have great doctors and equipment as well. And yes, that person is recovering. And whenever that person has a live stream, that person always share the story, the food that person eat for decades is ultra processed foods. Kaya once in a while, guys, we need to eat also processed foods like this, but not at always. Once in a while, not that every day. Once in a while. For me, I don't really a person who's not into that eating the meat, the beef, the chicken and all. I eat all of those, guys. I eat all of those, but not as always. I prefer to eat fish, vegetables, fruits, and just water. Once in a while, I treat myself like I cheat myself. I cheat like drinking soft drinks once in a while. Not that always. I prefer to drink like turmeric water, hot water or warm water. That's it. And coffee. A cup of coffee in a day and a turmeric tea. And milk before bedtime. So those are my drinks. And let's say that I am so perfect. But then those habits, those drinks, those foodies make me healthy and make me thin. Sabi nga ng dietitian, what you see is what you get. What you eat is you can see it on his or her face. If you eat a lot of carbo, then we can see this his or her face, that she eat a lot of plenty of rice based on the face that she or he has, right? So again, what I eat today for today is just a siomai and a rice. You see, I did not consume that. I will eat that later kasi my tummy really is not that big. Once I eat, it's just slowly but surely. And my tip for you guys, if you wanna feel full longer, eat slowly, chew that food slowly, and yes, you will feel full longer. Feeling nyo po ay busog po kayo for the longest time, ng mahabang oras. Kaya nga, eat like a king in the morning, and also rich people, guys, do that habit. They eat slowly but surely. So that would be all for today, guys. I never avoid myself to eat those foodies. I eat those foodies like beef, pork, chicken, and all. I also eat processed foods and like the chicheria and all the cheese and all. But there's always but. I limit myself. I prefer to eat those healthy foodies rather than unhealthy foods. Okay, so that would be all for today. Just cheers. Remember, health is wealth. Wealth is health. Even though we don't have much, but for as long as we are so healthy in our health, healthy in our own way, yes, we can. So that will be all for today, guys. So sharing with you. Time check. Kanina pa po ako nagkukuda. It's already 9:18. So that will be all for today. And Monday morning, rainy Monday morning. So these days, it's not that it's cold, but it's not that you're gonna freeze. It's just light. There's no need for you to use a fan. Fun. So that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for what I eat in today's video for today in the morning. Is just this one. A show mine and a rice. I will eat that later. I am so full already because I really want to eat purely protein rather than with rice. And it makes me full longer rather than a lot of rice and just a bit of protein. See you guys, and that will be all for today. And I do hear or you're all safe, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy as well. Thank you everyone, to the Team LC family, to our lovely admin Lokocherang Kusinira, and to all the OFWs around the world, and to all our foreign friends who kept on supporting me, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And you can see that in my analytics. Thank you so much, foreign friends, for the love and support, and to all the OFWs around. Thank you so much. Ethel, Allera here is signing off. Bye, guys. Mwah. See you in the next one.
Thanks for joining me on this rainy day food adventure with me. If you enjoy this cozy What I Eat vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and comment down below your favorite rainy day dish, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay dry and delicious.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel, Allera here is signing off.